Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove green screen on CapCut. So first of all is to open the CapCut app, and then you can open existing project if you already have one, or you can also tap on a new project just like this. And then here you will just add clips that you want to edit. And then now that you already have the videos, you will see options on the bottom. Just tap on overlay and then tap add overlay. And then now you will add the green screen. Once done, on the options below, find the opacity. So as you can see here, you can adjust how much you want the green screen to become visible in the video. So that's it guys, you can continue doing this further on your video. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.